How to check into location on Snapchat Map. First of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now you simply have to tap on the map icon on the bottom left corner from the navigation bar. Now you simply have to make sure that you also have allowed the Snapchat application for location permission. Once you allow this, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on the status button, often displaying as a small separate bubble on your current Bitmoji pose. Now, once you tap on it, you simply have to go ahead and then select the location. Now you simply have to scroll through the grid of the custom avatar stickers to pick an activity that matches what you're doing, and then tap the blue set status button to pause your check-in. Once you do this, now you simply have to open the Snap Map and you can also proceed to clear it from there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.